Hello everyone, and we are back. Another week. Well, so we did the item teleportation thingy, but just as a UI, it doesn't teleport things yet. This thing is not implemented yet. So when we press escape, we need to make the teleportation happen. Let me just check if the teleporter is still here. The arrow disappears, which we have to fix. I thought I fixed that. When I press escape, this menu will be closed. Okay, this looks correct. How do we close the window? Did we open it? So we have no stored items. I press on healing. We have one item now in there. And we want to store these two. Press escape. And they are here. Just to make sure, we are giving away all our battle heal items. Now if I look at them, they are not here anymore, but they are in the storage. That works. Now, since I am using store item, that means I will never have the issue where I'm in front of an enemy and I know he's extremely strong. I will never have the thrill that I might lose my items, because I can just send them home, all of them. But this is a balancing issue, maybe. I could make it so that there is a cooldown. Then again, you then maybe want to wait the minutes and then do it again, and then you're not playing anymore. So maybe this cooldown could be triggered by a fight you do. Maybe fighting charges this teleporter. If you want to send more items back, you have to fight, and after a fight you have maybe a surge where you can't send multiple items back. But it makes no sense, right? And if I pick up one item, it's always the one that will be sent home. But logically, like lore-wise, it makes no sense, right? Why would I only be able to send the things back that I recently pick up, while if I want to send things back which are stored in my backpack, I need to fight an enemy? Makes no sense. Will this get... I mean, it's... Oh boy, how to design this? to design this. Not simple. Not simple. And I don't want to ignore it now, because if I just push it back, I might have a design decision made which I cannot revoke anymore. So the path I'm taking right now is that the player can always stash items, which has the consequence that fights are not that tense anymore if you are in high level areas, because you can, before an enemy touches you, just send all your items back and you will have no consequences. I guess that is a better choice than to limit how the player can send items back, to artificially make it harder. I mean, we artificially make it easier already. Then again, someone who is not careful and just fights an enemy and thinks he's good and faces some trouble, we still have the tension, right? I guess we'll keep it like this, and maybe if it's really that big of a problem, we can fix it later with some special cases or something. I guess we will ignore it then. So this works. Teleportation is happening with the ESC. Check item limits. What did I mean by this? I mean, right now, probably there's a problem. Because if I go here and then just press this... Ah, okay, it works. Cannot have more than... Ah, now I've broke my thing because I added something without having the correct index. This is fine. Probably. Updating display should have arrow at the same spot or last. Correct. I thought I fixed this already. You have a set arrow. Goes to wherever. Where do we use this? Initialize. Menu switch case, okay. So if I go left and right, that's correct. Now I need it also when I remove an item. But can I just use this? I can just use this. Every time we press space, which we need to add it to both switches. That arrow. Switch item from carried to teleporter, which means our arrow is in the carried items. Switch items from teleported to carried. Like this? Does this work? Let's see. I just did it without thinking. Seems to work. Okay, so this is now good. Okay. Fix another problem. This is done. Make it so that when empty lists, we cannot switch to that list and get automatically to the other list. Really now. Now I just need to block A and D when it's empty. Interesting that one thing will never happen because we don't have room for current items. Can only stash them and then it goes right. And now if I press A or D, shouldn't happen, but it happened. We need to make that code. Funny enough, in this case, this is never happening anyway. We can get rid of it. Good. Now I need to block A or D so we can stop that from happening. When do we do this? Here. We need an if state here. If to teleport, no. If carried items 0, something like that. If carried items length is greater than 0, then you can do this. Yeah, this should work. So right now we can switch, but if I empty this, press A or D, and we're still here. Okay. So with this, we implemented teleportation without the user being able to break it, I hope. Of course, there might be some edge cases that I am not aware of, but right now for me, this looks solid. Okay, so all of this is done. Now we also have to freeze the world, or make sure it is frozen. What is this? Lift jump. Set key dialogue. It is frozen. Make sure. Right now, if we start, it doesn't get frozen, right? Ah, I don't have an item pickup. Check. Can I add an item pickup? It didn't freeze, okay. This is, it freezes, now I need to unfreeze it and we close. Where do we close it here? Rose. I press escape. Didn't resume. And the item is still there. Why though? Oh, this is a problem. Oh. We have to get rid of the item though. Picked up. Yeah. That works. Um, Hello, Toilet Roll. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Ah, I see. Please don't. What kind of schoolwork are you doing? Ah. I see. Well, please don't look at my UI because I'm not designing anything, I'm just doing functionality. Oh, it's from a game. I never played it myself, but I checked it out. Called Hyper Light Drifter. Pretty neat. I recommend. I will play it at some point, I guess. I should at least. So, first actor, UI controller, cast UI controller, open menu without memorizing. The canvas is our main menu front panel. And we open teleporter menu. Oh, did you play it? Do you know that game? Okay, now let's see if this works. I hope it does. Store items, and there it is. I just need to initialize it. Get teleport and initialize nothing. Means, of course, I need to add these things. Code. Case. Then this should open it, but we cannot close it yet, which is fine. Oh, and we have to be very careful now, because this needs to be done differently probably, but we will see. First, let's see if it's opening. Items, perfect. Even works with the input, which is scary. How does the input work? Makes no sense. Or maybe it does make sense. That's my UI controller. I can see that. But they are not the same composers. Wait, toilet? Wait a minute, are you Mada? I forgot you have a different name. Oh my god, man! Change your name! God damn it. Yes! I was like, toilet roll? Stop laughing! Hello. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, we changed the active key to that thing. Why doesn't it work when I press space then? Let's see why. Oh, because I'm looking at the wrong thing. Or am I? No, it works. Why didn't it work before? Crazy. And my fail safes also work, which is great. And when I press escape, then we have a problem, because it should go a menu back, but it won't. Now this thing should be broken. Not. It is. It is broken. Need to change the active key. How do I do this? Oh my god. What kind of UI are you making, or not what kind of, more like what are you using to make the UI? Is it functional, or is it a click dummy? You're using XD. What is XD? I never heard of XD. Yeah, like a UI without a functionality. You just click and animations play around, and it is hard to integrate it to something else. Mostly. Like a fancy PowerPoint. I see. I see. Yeah, I mean, of course. My buttons go also click click and they just change. But without whoosh whoosh. Hello, Kraken. How are you doing? Not sad. The music is from Hyperlight Drifter though. It's a pretty moody game, not a scary one. I'm also doing great. A bull here, an item there, and things start to shape up. Like so. The game. How to say it in short? Can't think of it as a monster collecting game, like Pokemon maybe. But, how to say? Let me show you. Right now everything is a dummy thing, but essentially you're a person in a world. And there's this temple you're in. Right now it looks like this, but yeah, we are in a prototype. there is this mountain here. You can look up and on the sky, and you will see many islands on flying around here. Your objective is to go up there and find out what's going on, collect monsters, and try to get to the top. So you teleport up or jump up or something, I'm not sure, and you will see these swarms. These are called orblings. They fly around, do something in the sky, maybe eating on energy or something, and then they manifest here on the ground. And you can go, and they notice you, and then a fight begins. And you have your orblings too, which are these little balls, and they're in front of you. It's a turn-based RPG. Now, there are 6 elements. Right now we are in the fire formation, which is good with offensive magic. We have the water formation, which is a support role for healing mainly. We have the earth formation, which is for defense, physically. But we have another side. You saw this was red, blue, and green. And the corresponding other side is also the inverse color, which is for red offensive magic, is physical attacks, which is cyan, and is lightning. Then we have air for harassment and support, which is yellow. And we have crystal for magic defense. So we have 2 sides and 6 elements. And your objective is now, of course, to fight these off. So I just switch to my offensive magic again and start the round. The enemy is faster than us, so they can get off their stuff first. And then we are in turn, and my skills are right now a little overpowered, but whatever. And essentially now you have collected some energy. You go around these islands, and there are some caves you can go in. You will find some items here, like a key. And then you can just look around what's going on. But these... I didn't want to fight this guy. Let me kill him very fast. This one, please. So this is the top side of the island, but there is also another side, which is the underside, the dark side. And here you will find the corresponding other elements. Like if the top side is fire, you will find monsters from the lightning alignment here, and then you can find other caves and so on. And if you look down, you see the our island where we came from, and if you look from here, you see the sky. And then, hopefully we can go to the exit. We collected some energy from the fight, and there are exits which leads us to the other islands above us. You can spend some energy here, and then it unlocks, and you can exit. And then you're in another island, and then this goes on and on until you're on a boss fight. And then you have a, how to say, maybe on a hub world, and then you go more up until you reach the top, and then there are some story twists and so on. But yeah, this is roughly the game I'm making right now. And here in the temple you have like your shops and so on. Standard stuff. So, why can't I store them now? Well, maybe it was not focused. Why didn't it work? For items, I press space. Somehow it doesn't go through. Where do I check it? Where do I check it? Interaction. Normally here, but now I'm not focused anymore. If I focus, it will work again. I maybe click once, escape, or items. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe that's the problem. My main menu. Let's see. Maybe that little guy there. Right here. Focusable. No, not focusable, please. None of them. Okay, now it should work. How stupid. Yeah, there you go. And you cannot go back. Why? What's going on when I press it now? Oh. Works. Maybe the current menu mode is... Yeah, I need to change the current menu mode. What? To start? Hold on, then maybe I don't need all of this. Maybe I don't need this initialize thing. Huh. Maybe this is possible without that. Initialize menu, yeah. Hide this. And then, now we go to our teleporter. This, and instead of doing this, I will object resume logic. Are we doing this here already? Open menu, initialize. Here we freeze it. No, we're not. Where do we freeze the game? This is not correct. Oh, this is bad. That's main menu. Yeah. We still need this. Doesn't matter. But the rest we might not need. But this we need. We don't need to memorize, but we need this little fella. That's still important. So UI, blah blah blah, open menu, initialize here. And this guy goes away, please. Okay. I don't care. And go away. Okay, so the resume doesn't happen. Where do we freeze it then? Is it the item pickup itself? Yeah, we freeze it there. Okay, perfect. Then main menu. Now we just need to be careful. Now when we pick up, just need this thing. Not this. And then say change, what was it? Get main menu. I might need it after all. Okay. I need it after all. UI that opened this menu. True. Right, if true. That's main menu. Change menu mode. Start. Don't need to do this though. Might. Switch. Start, which means then if key UI color, find first cast UI controller. To active key main menu. So does this make any sense? Initialize and initialize. Good. True, then we just go to back to the menu, and else we just close it. Might work. Okay, let's check. I press escape, but we cannot go back. Why? Ah, because we are not closing. Of course. I still have to close it. I open it here. Need to close it. Wait, no. Just close, please. Teleporter. Like so. Not working. Go through. Not set. Ah, of course. But now it works. Why is it not set? No, I'm really curious. Why? So if I press this, it works. But it doesn't work. Didn't go here. Oh my god, the breakpoints don't work. Hate this one. Okay. This works. So there. And this works too. This start. Left menu is main menu. Close. Ah, that's the problem. Well, that's a little messy though. I guess I don't care. I guess remove widget is a better choice here. Okay, now it works. See? Voila. Then we go to the storage, take item, and we put everything here. I could store here. Heal item. Let's see if we can store them. Store. Take item. There they are. Wait, we have nothing. Okay. Everything works. Okay. Let's see if there is something to clean up, but seems good. Alright. After battle rewards, we need to do that. Main menu, stash item we have now. So all of this is done now. Menu to choose what to draw. Drop. Menu to choose what to drop for reward. Well, we have the teleporter thing. I guess this was meant with it. Menu to choose what to drop for reward. If it's if our inventory is full. Okay, then next time we will do this, and all of this is bye-bye. Ah, some more progress. Loving it. Now we are getting closer and closer to this part. Anyway, I'm not sure who is still in chat. Pilot. Again. Thanks for tuning in. Everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.